Welcome to Crestron Toolbox tutorial. Text Console is a tool that allows the user to communicate using a command prompt, or also known as CLI commands. To access the tool within Toolbox, there are multiple ways to access Text Console. Selecting the tool in the navigation bar and then select Text Console from the list. The other method is to click on the icon in the toolbar. This icon will have the letters D, E, V, and looks like a command prompt window. To connect to a device in Text Console, there are different options located at the bottom of the tool. One option is to connect to a device that is already existing in the current address book. Another option is to click on the pencil icon located at the bottom of the tool and select the method to connect to the device using Ethernet, RS-232, USB, or indirect connection. The lightning bolt icon located at the bottom of the toolbar is a quick function to easily load firmware, programs, or touchscreen project files to a device. Also located at the bottom of the tool is the connection status for the device. The first section will show the current connected status. The second section will show the type of connection and address of the device. A prompt will show once the device is connected. Once connected to the device, to see a list of available commands, type help space all after the command prompt followed by the enter key. This will show a list of available commands, level of access to be able to view the command if authentication is turned on, and a brief description of the command. To clear the console window to start over, right-click the tool and select Clear, or press Alt-C on the keyboard. To see how to format a command, type the command followed by a question mark. For example, if we type help space question mark, this will show the additional commands for help. Notice in the list of commands that part of the command are capital letters. This indicates the shorthand version of this command. Only the capital letters are required for this command. For example, to see the network status of the processor, by typing help space ether, this would be the same as typing the full command Ethernet. This will show the list of commands for Ethernet information for this processor. As an example in the command list, there is a command to see the current IP table loaded to this processor for Ethernet devices. To find out the available parameters for the IP table command, we type IP table space question mark. This will show how to properly format the command and the parameters available. If we want to see the status of Ethernet devices on this processor for program 1, we can type IP table space dash the letter P colon and the number 1. The processor will show a list of Ethernet devices in program 1. If we use the same command but instead of the number 1, we type all, this will show each individual program's IP table entries and status. Text Console also has the ability to set command presets for commonly used commands. This list can be edited by selecting Text Console from the navigation bar and clicking Edit Sequence Keys. Within the pop-up window with the list of shortcut keys, the user can edit each key by adding a specific command. Toolbox has shortcuts pre-assigned as well. If we scroll down the list, we can see here that there are some predefined shortcuts. For example, let's look at F3 for device info. If we click F3 in the console window, a pop-up will show the device details. We can see information about this particular device, such as hardware, firmware versions, installed cards, cloud service, and auto discovery settings. Text Console also has the ability to remember previous commands sent in the current session. By pressing the up arrow key on the keyboard, we can see a list of previous commands. By scrolling up or down, we can select the command and send it to the device again. Text Console has the capability of saving the current session as a file. This file can be saved as plain text, formatted text, or Toolbox log file. For additional information about Text Console and the various features not shown in this video, use the local or online help file or press F1. Thank you for watching.